woman's life shortened up in a half an hour. But for the tip of the day, this dime is a pure silver dime. It's actually worth a lot more than a dime. But, oops, it is pure silver. And anything before 1964 and earlier and older is pure silver. And you always save silver coins. But this little dime can actually stop you. This dime can stop you from getting pregnant. This little dime, 10 cents, worth more now because it's silver, but 10 cents can stop you from getting pregnant. So if you're a mom, I would recommend showing them a dime. Could be any dime, but I do prefer the silver one because they won't lose it. Okay. So what you do with this silver dime, okay, when you first start dating, when you go out on a date, you take the dime with you. Very important that you take the dime with you. Okay. And then once wherever you are, okay, when you're sitting down, you take the dime and you put it right between your two knees and you hold it there. And you don't drop that dime. And you leave it there until you get home. And I think that by now you might have figured why that dime is being held between your knees. And make sure you bring it home and take it out again the next time. If you come home without that dime, your mother's going to know something was up. So on a happier note and a funnier note, I want to say thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end here. Please share, like, and subscribe.
On YouTube?
If you think I'm letting the boys off the hook, oh, heck no. These videos are all from a mom's point of view. Things my mother never told me. That's why it's a Dear Judy channel. And so the next video will be the 10 phases of a boy's life. Okay, so I think that they deserve to also hear it from a mom's point of view.